how to download and install Asana app. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Asana app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this powerful work management platform. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Asana and search for it. Select the first search result for the Asana app, then tap the install button. The Asana app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Grant all the necessary permissions, then log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. Once you are logged in, you are ready to start using Asana. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install the Asana app on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.